In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove and install the rear transporting wheel bracket assembly. These are the tools you'll be required to use. I have a size 13 socket wrench, or if you have a power tool, you can use a power tool with an attachment size 13, a flathead screwdriver, and 2 size 4 Allens. So to remove the rear wheel, you'll need to use your flathead screwdriver and to remove the rear rim cap. Next, you'll take your size 13 wrench, remove the bolt, and you want to make sure you don't lose this key. Now you'll have access to get to your rear transporting wheel bracket. Take your 2 size 4s, it should come right off. Now to put it back, you don't want to have it too tight, but just tight enough so it won't move. Next, you'll put your rear tire back. Make sure it's facing this way. Alright. Now the key that I mentioned, there's a little slot you want to fit into there. You'll take your bolt, and screw it back into place. Then you'll take your rim cap and press it back on there.